Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did. Tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay.
Guys, today konamela taxi. I told you I do taxi sometimes. So it's one of those days. This one stays here in the office in case the weather changes, because weather from where I come from and from weather from home and here are sometimes different, but in town it's always, in most cases, better than in town. What? Weather in town, in most cases, is better than at home. Their side, Moria side is cold, so I'm going. Where's my phone? I don't want to leave anything, and hey, I will show you the taxi rank vibes. But if they snatch my phone, I'm gonna hold it somehow to protect it. If I talk, I'll just put in these earphones so that I do talking if I want to talk. So let's go. Beke ya ka e ithakathakane yo. Come encourage. So I'm looking the last one to go, so I'll be looking. Lights off. We open the butler. So actually I'm gonna look like I'm on a video call. That's the interesting part. So I'm not gonna look at these people because they will distract me. Cause if I look at them, I will start to wonder what are they thinking about me. So I'm just gonna look at my movements and my phone. Guys, I have to just carry my phone with like 2 hands when I get down there, because it's gonna get too crowded. It's going to get too crowded, and those guys, Mola, this and that, it's gathering there, so they will snatch my phone. Let me stop at this robot and cross to the other street. You guys, I'm walking so fast, so I'm gonna be like I'm losing my breath. Like I'm losing my breath right now because I'm walking so fast, and I know that the taxi rank, it's fast. I'm not even gonna spend a lot of time. So let me stop talking so that ke sware phone ya gabotse yo ke a fiega lena ke fiega gore, and the people looking yo load shedding, difficult to cross the robot, so difficult. Guys, look at this crowd. If you know Polokwane, I'm heading to where? I'm heading to the rank popularly known as Pick and Pay rank. Ranking ya Pick and Pay. So no ke feta A1. Urile psi. A1 ke shopela wa ranking. Like everyone is going there. But body ba go namela di-taxi. So ke re A1 yo hawkers, look at that one. And one other thing that I don't like, people moving slowly, and I'm behind them going fast. They're blocking the way. Because and I don't want people to hurry me. So I'm just have to be patient. Look at this one. Mama sweets. I'm just gambling with my phone. At least it's not an iPhone, but this is a phone that I use to do videos from, because my personal phone has a battery problem. That's why. Let me run. I stick it in my drop. It's so crowded. So let me just stop you. Okay, then I got taxi. See you. Yo, taxi drivers, let me tell you one thing. They are too attitudically built. They have attitude, those people. Those people have attitude, guys. Let me tell you. Yesterday, as I'm recording this video, today is Wednesday. And you've seen, I told you I went to a taxi. So yesterday also, like this week, I went to a taxi since Monday. Yesterday on Tuesday, was it on Tuesday or Monday? Yesterday, the taxi fare is 26 rand. So when the taxi fare is 26 rand, I have a solid 20 rand, a solid 2 rand, solid 1 rand, and the other 3 rand is 20 cents. I have a lot of brown coins, a lot. So me having those 20 cents, I pay with them. When I pay the taxi driver, like, I don't mind you telling me what you want and what you don't want, but the level, the attitude that you give, the tone of your voice says a lot. That guy just said, I don't want 20 cents. I don't want 20 cents. What am I going to do with them? And he returned them. Now I said, I don't have another money. Give me my 20 rand. And then he returned the money. All of my 26 rand with a lot of 20 cents. So I stayed with my money, and he said, one didn't pay. Where is that money? I gave back the 20 rands. Akiriana doesn't want the 2 popo. Kima asanya adireki khani. I mean, they have value. In South Africa, the least money is 10 cents. So at least 20 cents is a little bit higher. Yeah. Yo. Nakamofa 20 rand fell. He started saying, the money is short. And I said, you don't want 20 cents. What am I going to do? Because when you don't want 20 cents, will you just go with 20 rand? Knowing taxi drivers, they like money a lot. Then he took my 20 cents. I was just silently like dealing with the man. So today, you know, a Quantum has in front seat is a driver's seat and a passenger seat and a whole lot of space in between. So a certain lady was there with a bag full of things, and it was heavy. It looked heavy. You can see the driver came in. First thing first, remove this bag. I don't want anything here. The lady was just helpless and she wanted to drop off. So other guys said, let's just help you carry the bag. Okay. These people, in a taxi, we are like knowing the rules and regulations of their car. We don't know. I don't know if you don't want 20 cents. I come with my 20 cents. And it's not like 20 cents are not buying. You can buy them. You can buy with them. That space, if you don't want anything there, just say it nicely. For me, it's the way they talk to people, their attitude. Thumbs down. Their attitude is not okay. As if they own us, they own the world. They talk, even on the road, somehow we deal with them every day. So that lady, the best part, when that lady drops off, she dropped off before me. The lady just said, well, there was a guy waiting for her. The lady said, my one, Mutwaka, she had no more taxi. We were like, huh? That was laughing. Yeah, I was like, good. Go deal with this person. That attitude, it's not acceptable. They disrespect the passengers. They just disrespect passengers. And when you when you get inside the front seat, you are automatically going to exchange the money. They expect you to exchange the money, okay, which is safer because you will be driving. But they have to ask so nice. They have to ask, not like automatically you have to do mathematics and be calculating with your phone, which we don't know these prices. Like, I don't know the prices of those taxis, the places where other people are going. I only know my fare. It's 26 rand. Others are going 28, some are going 25, 27, like that. How do I know those things? They just like, you are automatically a financial manager of that trip, minister of finance for that moment. I hate it. I just so hate the attitude from those people. Yeah, that's the experience that I had. I had to pay with 20 cents, and I'm still going to pay with 20 cents. And I believe and I wish I will get that taxi again and bring in 20 cents. He's going to take them. That is money. He can go and exchange if he wants.